All Cat cold planers come standard with Cat grade and slope, and this gives you the ability to mill with accuracy and precision right out of the gate. This system is easily controlled from our touchscreen display by going into this menu where you can quickly see how your machine's performing relative to target values that you're trying to accomplish. This system provides easy access to switching sensors on the fly with simple touchscreen controls, and also quick ability to press and edit target values to specific requirements. Again, this system comes standard with side plate and slope controls, but if you have applications that require additional hardware such as sonic sensors or even 3D milling capability, it's set up and ready for that, and those offerings are available as options.